In this lesson, we're going to learn the names of vegetables. So, let's head to the kitchen. Here are 10 common huawhenua, or vegetables. Hua in this context can be explained as product and whenua is the land. So, huawhenua literally means product of the land. The first is kumara, or sweet potato. But in New Zealand, even in English, we call kumara, kumara. Anyway, the second is riwai, or potato. Fun fact, riwai is a phonetically borrowed word for Levi, one of the earliest types of potato brought to New Zealand. Our third kupu is aniana, and as it sounds, it's onion. Karoti is carrot. Pokena is pumpkin. Kapikama is capsicum. Kariki is garlic. You see a pattern here. They are mostly phonetically borrowed words. Parakori is broccoli. Kanga is corn. And pea is, well, pea. Kapiti is cabbage. Harore is mushroom. And our last huawhenua is tomato, or tomato. That's a pretty straightforward one, but I guess the big question is it a huawhenua, vegetable, or huarako, fruit? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lesson on huawhenua, vegetables.